Hi, I'm David Abraham, your email marketing specialist. Today I help you out to write a great email subject line. If your subject line is not good, no one will open your email and purchase your product by clicking the links in the email. So subject line is the first thing in email writing and email marketing business. What's the purpose of subject line? The purpose of subject line is to get people's attention in the inbox, create excitement in their mind to open your email. Here are a few principles you have to follow in order to write a good looking subject line. Always write short and sweet subject line. 8 words or less is enough, and if your subject line is too long, no one can see it in their email inbox if they use a mobile. So according to research, 60% of people use their mobile phones to check their emails on a daily basis. So short email is the first priority. Number 2, the visual appeal, the looking of your subject line. Does it visually appealing? And if not, you can use parentheses, symbols, and numbers to make it appealing. For example, these two subject lines are the same, but I used a parenthesis in the end of this to make it looking great. For example, 3 ways to lose weight in 3 weeks. It's without parentheses, but here is 3 ways to lose weight in 3 weeks. In 3 weeks inside a parenthesis, so it looks great and visually appealing. You can use symbols and numbers, as I told you. Here I used numbers because numbers create specificity and clarity to the mind of your reader. So always create good looking subject lines. Number 3, attention grabbing. Does it attract people's attention in the inbox or not? Does it spark curiosity or not? If your subject line doesn't grab people's attention, you can follow these 3 strategies here. Ask a question, say something controversial in the subject line, and be specific in the subject line. For example, are you ready to make $100 a day? So it's a question type of subject line that urges people to open the email. 3 ways to make $1,000 a day. It's very specific, so it looks very good from point of clarity. Say something controversial. For example, now sugar makes you thin. If already sugar made people obese, so now you can tell them that sugar makes you thin. It makes people excited to open your email because how sugar makes them thin or lose weight. Number 4, mention the benefits of your product or services. For example, earn $100 a day by working 15 minutes. So it's the benefit of the product. Just by working 15 minutes, I can earn $100. So it's good to mention always the benefits of your product or services. Number 5, focus on them. Instead of using the word I and we, you can use you. for example, you can lose 10 pounds in 10 days. So always focus on them in the subject line. If you follow these 5 strategies, so uh, you will create a good subject line and people will always open your email. One thing as a side note, please test your email before sending them. So test your email and see if it looks great from point of attention grabbing, from point of visual appeal in their inbox. If it's not attention grabbing or visually appealing, you can bring some changes by following these 5 strategies. Here is my free book by the name of Email Money. It's all about email marketing business, how to start an email business, how to improve your deliverability, increase your open rate, and click-through rate. It's completely free and you can get it via the link below in the description. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for further videos regarding online businesses, especially email marketing. For now, goodbye.